Hello, Scoffing License Plates. Hopefully my roof will stay on during the filming of this video. All the way from Oz. Here it says, read. Just read it. Find something small. I actually found something small. You were expecting a monster, I know. I said small, so small. It's like Alice in Wonderland. Drink me, eat me, read me. From the keyboard of Robert Phillips. Australia. That way. 11,000 miles. A couple of these vehicles are blah blah blah. Phillips blade vise. Hello. The elves are buying blade vise. Yeah. Simply rub some oil. Wow, run down some of the parts. Yellow. Neutral coloured bench. Sharp blade. Walk into it. It's yellow. Using the grips. Rubber strips. Double-sided sticky tape. Simply work their way into. Destroy them. Robert. Basically, exceptionally amazing within this box. It's more like it. Rubber grips. I'm not allowed to eat it because it says jazz on it. I need that though. Not done in a minute. Ooh, it's huge. Cindery material. Something Brunel would have had. Any more beef and it would moo. God. You're all going, what? Phillips blade vise. Bolts threaded. Robert T. Phillips maker. That is slick. Trick. You're going, what is that? Looks like a hamster ball. No, it's the mounting plate for the Phillips blade vise. It's no good. I shall have to attack the top. As subtlety as possible, because there's bits in there which are crucial. Oh man, that's some good paper cutting. Yellow, yes. There's something about manly black and yellow. Oh, that's bitching. And obviously, steel plate there should go opposite what that nut be there. You're doing the usual male thing. And you get your flat pack furniture, you open it up, you go in instructions. I can make it on my own. I'll make a mistake. Throwy, nutty, metal bitty, toppy. Oh, Rob, man, that is slicker than a freshly oiled banister. Likey. Rubbery strippies. Bitchin'. Assemble. Bloody hell, Rob. My biceps will need developing. Yeah! You're all going. Right. I'm a noise maker. I has a problem. Nice. Rappy, holdy, sandy. Boring as hell. You can wrap it up, yeah. What you can't do is get both hands on it. Both hands on the blowing hand. Allow me to demonstrate. Now, undo, hold, maybe to there. Undo. Blade is now held. If I want to, turn to any angle of attack or any of that. This will be mounted on a block in the vise later. But now, see this here? I can now work there. Two hands. with your abrasive cloth or your micro mesh. Rob is bloody brilliant. Now obviously I'm going to mount this and it's going to go there. I can sit down and to my heart's content. Now, lucky ain't the word for it. I think there's only 6 of these in the world. The considerable time, effort, diligence, and I suppose investment at the moment that Rob has put into this product. We're going to give Rob as big a shout out as possible for the concept of what he's come up with. For knife makers, it's a massive advantage having the blade out of the bloody way, whilst you're able to turn it, lock it, move it, shift it, secure it, whilst you get 2 hands at it, or not like that. Yes, you can wrap it up in insulation tape. Yes, you can stick it in a vise, because you stick it in a vise, it's stuck out that way, and you've got to go like that. Okay, but it's all a little convolution that it can do, and it's faster and it's slicker and it's just a neater thing. It's just a neater thing. And the big bore of the pipe means maybe not necessarily that big, but big ass blades can fit down through the bore of that pipe. Now, I'll put a link to Rob's channel. Now, obviously, what his letter was, relate to you. Let's get it absolutely right. He's going to contact me with details, because what hampers this as something for you to get from Rob is the freight. Okay, and we'll get to that later on the way that you can get something of that as a concept into your workshop. Okay, because the advantages that that's going to give anybody who does knife making or knife restoration or what I do in terms of refurbs, it's just going to take the aggro out of the handle finishing. Okay. Let's just double check. But for now, I just literally picked it up. I didn't even look at the instructions. You just bump that bump. It's there. It's perfect. It's perfect. Goes on a station on your bench, or bump 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 on a pad, on a button, in a vise. That releases that. Tighten that up. This allows that to turn, and that one releases your blade. Undo, undo, undo. There it comes. He's obviously sat down long and hard to come up with all the bits and pieces to make that work right. And as soon as I saw the metal plate, I thought, I know where that goes. That goes that way. To action onto that. Powder coated loveliness. Rob Phillips, you are a engineer par excellence. Why can't everything be made like that? That's built like a tank. Bloody amazing. Anyway, so give us a couple of days. don't bombard Rob at the moment, because the actual nitty gritty of the details and how you'll be able to get hold of something like this into your garage. Okay, the freight will kill it, so there is another way around it, back door as it were. Until then, lucky as hell Wessex Blaze, and a few other lucky Florida, SN10, Atlanta, wow, absolutely wow, Rob Phillips, it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Rob. Wow.